Hey guys, this is Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a design team project share with Bead Craft Babe. I will have her linked below. So this is everything I made. This is for the July kit that she has, and it's such a luscious pink kit, and I absolutely loved it. She did a well job at putting it together. So this is my chunky charm. Look how chunky this is. Isn't it beautiful? I love the donuts. It's just pink all around, and I love it. I love just pink and no other colors, along with the donut, the happy faces, and all of her charms here. Those are the bubblegum beads. In the kit as well are these just one pin, and you're able to decorate the pin yourself, and this is how I decorated it. I used her beads. I also used the donut and used the happy face that comes in the kit. The heart is one of my beads that was gifted to me, so I love this pin. So cute. Next are these little like kawaii charms, and I think they're so cute, animal charms, along with these happy face beads. And then she also includes a strand of regular beads right there. So there's different, it's assorted colors, and I just made a little book box. It's a miniature one, so you just open it from the back, and then you could just add anything you'd like. In my case, I added this little heart with some beads that I did I think a month ago. So that is the first one. The second one is this one right here. It's very simple. I used the Sweet Store as well as a Garden Party. This is a little pig. Isn't he cute in a blanket? It's kind of like one of these cookies or a macaroon, and so cute. These beads are also in the kit right here, as well as you turn it over and open it up, and it's the same thing, just different colors. And for this one, I put rosettes inside. So I can possibly fit another rosette, so it would be 3. So such a cute little project to send to your swap partners. So that's it right there. The last project that I made was this one right here, and it's including this chick, a little tiny chick, and he's such a cute little kawaii chick with some happy face beads and the pink bead, and then again the Sweet Story rosette, along with some of the Garden Party. And then it opens the same way from the back, and there's a box in here. And what I wanted to put in here is some of these butterflies, and they're not finished yet, but I still have to add the antennas. But you could add a lot of little bits and bobs in there, and such a cute little project to share with your swap partner and gift along with your swap. So that is it. I will have all the links below. Bye.